World Cup 2026 today.
Yes, so exciting.
Finally, it is here.
Waited 4 long years.
Worth the wait, though.
Absolutely, 100%.
Which match is first?
Brazil versus France today.
Big match already.
Best opening match ever.
Who do you support?
Brazil, always Brazil.
Me too, same team.
We are true fans.
Since we were kids.
Yes, many years now.
2026 is Brazil's year.
Yes, I feel it.
Strong squad this time.
Best squad in years.
New young striker is incredible.
Yes, only 19 years old.
So young, so talented.
Future World Cup legend.
Is he starting today?
Yes, number 9 today.
Perfect, he will score.
I am sure of it.
France is also strong.
Yes, very dangerous team.
Their striker is world class.
Yes, cannot underestimate them.
This will be tough.
Best match of tournament.
Who do you predict wins?
Brazil, 2-1.
I say 3-1.
Ha, you are optimistic.
Always optimistic with Brazil.
Ha ha ha, me too actually.
2026 is in America.
Yes, USA, Canada, Mexico.
3 countries hosting together.
First time in history.
Very special tournament this.
Yes, historic World Cup.
Have you been to USA?
Yes, New York once.
Beautiful city that is.
Loved every minute.
World Cup stadiums are huge.
Yes, massive American stadiums.
Perfect for World Cup.
Big crowds, big atmosphere.
I wish we were there.
Me too, one day.
Maybe next World Cup.
Yes, we go together.
Promise?
Promise, 100%.
Match is starting now.
Yes, look at stadium.
Incredible atmosphere there.
Crowd is so loud.
Flags everywhere. Beautiful.
Brazil fans are amazing.
Always the best fans.
Most colorful in world.
Yellow and green everywhere.
Best colors in football.
Kickoff in 1 minute.
I'm so nervous,
Me too, every time.
even watching from home.
Imagine being there live.
Heart would stop completely.
Probably yes.
Huh, worth it though.
Brazil has the ball.
Good start. Keep possession.
Number 10 looks sharp.
Yes, very confident today.
Already 2 chances created.
France defending deep today.
Smart tactic from France.
Yes, waiting to counter.
Brazil must be patient.
Yes, goal will come.
Number 9 is dangerous.
Defenders afraid of him.
You can see it.
Yes, giving him space.
Big mistake giving space.
He will punish them.
Goal. Brazil scores.
Yes, amazing goal.
Number 9 first goal.
I knew it. Incredible.
What a finish that was.
Pure class and skill.
World Cup dream start.
Brazil 1-0 France.
Yes, no silly mistakes.
France will come back.
They always do.
Very dangerous on counter.
Brazil must stay focused.
Concentration is everything now.
Halftime already approaching.
1-0 at halftime.
Good results so far.
Yes, but not enough.
Need second goal badly.
Yes, 1 goal dangerous.
Second half starting now.
Come on, Brazil.
France made substitution.
New striker coming on.
Dangerous player, that one.
Yes, very fast player.
Brazil must watch him.
Defender needs to be careful.
France equalizing 1-1.
Oh no, not again.
I knew it would happen.
Too much space given.
Brazil must respond now.
Yes, attack immediately.
Smart move from coach.
Yes, need fresh energy.
20 minutes remaining now.
Brazil pushing forward strongly.
Pressure on France now.
Yes, France defending desperately.
Corner kick for Brazil.
Score from this, please.
Goal! Header from corner.
Yes, 2-1 Brazil.
What a header that was.
Perfect timing, perfect execution.
Brazil back in front.
Now hold on tight.
10 minutes remaining.
Longest 10 minutes ever.
Heart is racing again.
Cannot breathe right now.
France attacking desperately.
Brazil defending brilliantly.
Final whistle coming soon.
Come on, hold on.
Full time. Brazil wins.
Yes, we won. Amazing.